how to create a Google form on your Mac. If you want to create a Google form for a survey, quiz, or questionnaire, this tutorial will walk you through the process. First, open your preferred web browser on your Mac. Next, go to forms.google.com and sign into your Google account if prompted. Once Google Forms opens, click Blank Form to create a new form. Now, enter a title for your form and add a description if you'd like. Click Untitled Question to type your first question. Next, choose the question type by clicking the drop-down menu on the right. You can select options such as multiple choice, short answer, paragraph, checkboxes, or any other format you need. To add another question, click the plus sign on the toolbar on the right side of the page. You can continue adding questions, inserting images or videos, and customizing the theme until your form is complete. When you're finished, click Send in the top right corner. From there, you can email the form, copy the shareable link, or embed it on a website. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Google tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.